In our last video, we looked at converting radian measures into degree measures simply by replacing the pi, which is half a circle, with 180 degrees, which is also half a circle. And while that works, sometimes, every now and then, we'll get a radian measure that doesn't have a pi in it, and so there's nowhere to replace the 180. So let me show you what to do in that case. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to just convert this like I've done conversions in the past. Let's say we've got 12 radians, and it's not that pi is not really there, it's just that pi has already been multiplied into that number. So in my conversion chart, then I'm going to say, well, pi radian, so my radians will cancel out, is equal to 180 degrees. And because I have the same measurement in the top and bottom, or the same unit in the top and bottom, those cross out. And so all I have to do is take 12, multiply it by 180, and then divide by the pi on the bottom. And so when I do that, I come up with a degree measure of approximately 687.55, and then don't forget that degree symbol. Alright, so that's what I would do if there was no pi in the radian measure I was given to start with.